Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Damsels and Dragons DPing. I'm Portia, and if you're new here, hi, I'm so glad you're here, and if you're returning, well, also hi and thank you. Welcome back and thank you for coming back. Today I have an unboxing. I'm super excited to get into this. It is a new to me company, the one with the diamond art. This is out of the UK. And I was browsing and I saw this and I was like, oh goodness, all right, I'm gonna have to get this. And my wish list from there is already a mile long. So let's just go ahead and get started. You will notice it is just this white box. It did come wrapped in a black wrapping. It didn't have any kind of branding on it. And so I had to open it up and just take a quick peek in the end of the box to see if it was what I thought it was. So it does look like it's shipped rather from the UK, rather than from the UK, it ships from the supplier. So let's pull this out here. All right, so this canvas has this really nice, like you can even kind of see it. It's like a fuzzy, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a fuzzy backing. It's nice and soft. Oh, look at how cute she is. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is a Jasmine Beckett Griffith, and her stuff has been growing on me for a while, and I was like, oh my goodness, I want to try something of hers. A lot of companies carry her stuff, but I had never seen this before, and with Christmas coming up, and I loved the peppermints. I loved the vibe of this one. I had to get it. So this is a poured glue canvas. I'm going to pull this back here and try and just get it maybe to flatten out a bit. And if I can't, okay, yeah, no, that didn't. I put that back down probably worse than it already was. So they just get a little, the covers will shift a little bit in transport. So when you're seeing these wrinkles, it's just the cover. But I'm just going to, oh look. Okay, here's our branding. This may have, I don't know. I don't know if that's intentionally stuck to the canvas or maybe it came on the bag of drills or the tool bag. But there it is. So that's their, the one with the diamond art. And I just stick that back over here on my stuff. We'll get to that in a moment. So sometimes if you just roll it backwards, which I'm not doing a very good job of, but that will help it to sit a little bit flatter. Okay, so up here, see, and I didn't roll that part back, so that's why it's still not wanting to. There we go. Perfect. All right. So up here we have the one with the diamond art. Look at these, just on first look, these symbols look really good. So here we have these cute little diamonds. We have a key over here as well as a thumbnail. Here at the bottom, we have the name of the piece, Peppermint Dragline, copyright Jasmine Beckett Griffith. These are round diamonds and it's a 40 by 60, so not too big. I think this is going to be, this is around the size I think I feel really comfortable with. And you could, I believe, get this in rounds or squares, but I do tend to go for rounds. I'm a single placer and they just work up much better for me. 44 colors. In this little bag we have our tool kit. So it did come with tweezers. These are the pokey ones, so you'll want to keep that little cover on there. A basic pen, a squishy, a plastic multi-placer, couple of plastic multi-placers. Actually, it looks like there's 3 different sizes in there. A white tray. Look, they did give us a washi. Oh, fun. It's got like some presents on it. I better make sure I'm in frame. And a little wax caddy, pink wax in a caddy. So that is everything. If you're just getting started, those are all of the tools you would need to get started. I know all of the fun accessories are just that, they're fun, but this does come with everything you would need to just start. And then here are our diamonds. So let's take a look in here. Oop, I put my sticker on there now. It's like, is that where I want to open it? All right, you guys, sometimes I have to be smarter than the packaging. There it is. See, I'll figure it out. All right, in here, we do have a paper list of everything. So it's got this tiny little thumbnail again of the original artwork. Look at how cute she's going to be. These Jasmine Beckett Griffiths are really growing on me. I have a feeling this is my first, but it won't be my last. So there's our 44 colors. We've got the DMC color code. We've got the number of actual drills. And then the weight of the baggie. This I will probably put through a sticker maker, at least with the number and the symbol. Put those on my jars when I kit up. They did come in these baggies. So they have the DMC number on it, but I'm not seeing like the number 1, the number 2, or the symbol. So like you could work out of baggies, you could put those on there. But for me, I think it's just going to be easier to put them into my containers and kit up that way and put the symbols on them. So I'm not seeing, and I didn't see on the key, I don't think that this is a kit that came with any special drills, so like any ABs. Look at these fun Christmassy reds. But I tend to be the kind of person that sometimes just decides, like, I want to add something, so I'm going to. So I might do that with this, like find some fun colors to add my own flair to. So these rounds, like they look good. They look like they have pretty flat backs there. I like that purple a lot, that dark purple. That green, that's really fun. So like you could definitely, these are in Ziplocs, you could work right out of the bags if that's something that works for you. Again, I've fallen in love with my storage containers, so I will probably go ahead and transfer and kit up into those. Alrighty, lots of fun in that one. And I don't remember if this came in different sizes. I do think some of theirs do. So depending on what works best for you, you might be able to. I'd have to take a look again. I'm trying to remember. Or theirs might have just been that the sizes are chosen. But that is, again, that Peppermint Dragonling from Jasmine Beckett Griffith. The shop was the one with the diamond art. And I am so excited to get working on this for the Christmas season. I'm so cute. Or I'm so excited. It's so cute. I do think I definitely want to add. I'm just trying to think, like even just now looking at like the dragon, I feel like I could find some fun places to add some ABs. Maybe in the peppermints. Oh, so I'll have to take a look at that. So fun. You will see this one up and coming, me working on it in some Whip and Chats soon, and I will do a post review when I finish. All right, thanks for joining me today. Please, if you have not already, hit that subscribe. If you liked what you saw today, go ahead and push that like. Leave me a comment. Does this make you think of Christmas? What are you going to work on for Christmas? Just anything. All right. Thanks, guys. Until next time. Bye.